Okay, I got my Chrysler 200S. Got my keys right here. Adjust this seat back. My wife was driving it. But this is the second time I've had this problem. Dealership said it was the battery in my key fob, so I changed it. This is what we get. Setting the keys right here, both of them. All right. Push the brake down and push the button. That's what I get. That's it. I don't know. Parking brake is on. Parking brake does not release. Got my foot on the brake. The light keeps blinking. Alright, I'm gonna shut everything down again. I'm gonna close the door this time. Okay. That's what I have on there. Press brake, push button to start. Okay. My brake is pressed. Pushing the button. Nothing. No start. Nothing. I don't know. 2015 Chrysler 200S. Today's Sunday. I'm going to have to tow it to Chrysler tomorrow. See what they say. See what kind of runaround they give me today or tomorrow. All right. Stay tuned for more. Or maybe stay tuned for a solution that they give me to fix it.